little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color something super fun, a cute computer. Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers, and let's start creating. First, let's draw the monitor. Start by drawing a big rectangle in the middle of your paper. This will be the screen where we can see all the fun stuff.
Wow! Cool!
At the bottom center, draw a small button. This is the power button to turn our computer on and off. And don't forget the stand.
Awesome!
Now, let's draw the keyboard. Underneath the monitor, draw another rectangle. This one should be a bit longer and narrower. Inside this rectangle, draw lots of little square buttons. These are the keys we press when typing.
Wow!
Let's draw the mouse. On one side of the keyboard, draw an oval shape. Add 3 little buttons on top of the oval. Our mouse is all set to help us click around.
Awesome!
Now, it's time to make our computer super cute. Let's give the monitor a happy personality by drawing 2 big, cute eyes right on the screen. Then, add a smiling mouth underneath the eyes. Our computer is happy to see us. Let's make it even better by outlining everything with a bold black marker. This will make our drawing pop off the page and look really cool. Wow, our computer looks amazing. And now for the fun part, coloring. We're going to use bright rainbow colors to make our computer come to life. Grab your color pens and let's color together. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. You're doing a fantastic job. Look at that. Our cute computer is all done, and it looks absolutely adorable with those rainbow colors. If you had fun drawing and coloring with us today, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join us again for more fun art projects. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.